Hi, thanks for listening to the mifalkirk smartphone app demo. I'm just going to launch the app. And as you can see from the logos at the top there, this is a partnership app with Falkirk Delivers, which is Falkirk Business Improvement District. And as I scroll down the main menu, you can see that there are categories for all the different types of businesses you'll find in Falkirk and indeed any other area. So there's eating, shopping, entertainment, health and beauty, leisure and activities, and services. I'm just going to click into eating and into lunch. And these are actual promotions from the businesses themselves. So it's not just a listings app. It's trying to get beyond that and find out what every business in Falkirk are doing. And I can scroll through this list, or I can pull down and use the text search at the top there. I can resort the content in relation to my current location, or I can view the content on a map. So lots of different ways to find something interesting. And then I can click on the different businesses here until I find one that I'm interested in. Click through. There's a business lunch menu for 2 courses for £6.95. Sounds good. And I might want to share that with my friends via Facebook, Twitter, and email. I can add it to my favourites. There's a lot of content there, so I'll tag the things that I'm particularly interested in. I can phone through and make that phone ring in that business and book a table or book an appointment, whatever the call to action may be. I can call a taxi, and in return for that, the taxi firm will help promote the app in their cabs. I can visit websites, so I can click through to the Crutai restaurant website there, or to their Facebook feed, wherever they want to take me. I can get directions of how to get to that specific business. So coming back to the main menu, just want to go down to the bottom here and click on all offers, bring up the map again. And you can see the kind of level of content you end up getting. It's not just a listing per business. Any business can have unlimited number of listings on here to tell people what they're doing. So you've got behind the wall there were 7. As I click through, you can see there's different types of businesses. So you've got leisure, restaurants, churches, retail, services. And at any time I can click through and find out what that business are offering. So coming back to the main menu, we've looked at things by category, but I can also look by date. So I'm clicking on events, going into this month, and I've got a list of what's going on in the Falkirk area. And again, I can click through to an article, or I can view it on a map, so I can see, yep, that's what's going on, that's where it's going on, and when it's going on, all in one screen. So coming back to the main menu, just looking at some of the other functionality that's down the bottom here. I mentioned favourites earlier. If I click on that, we can see some of the articles that I've tagged previously, and there's the one we looked at. I can map this content, I can go into it, I can resort it. All the functionality we looked at is available in the favourites menu there. There's a QR scanner. It's going to launch that. Within the system, every time you create an article, it creates a QR code. You can use the scanner within the app to link to the content. There's a Twitter feed. So every time someone adds a new article to the system, we tweet it, and then we pick up the Twitter feed and republish it into the app. So it's a good way of finding out all the latest stuff that's going on from the businesses. And there's an info tab at the end there telling you all about the app and how to get involved. Thanks very much for listening to the demo.